You have no time for gardening because you are a busy person, or else you are a lazy gardener and you don't like spending much time in your garden, but still you love plants. Are you the person that? If you are that kind of person, these are the plants for you. These plants are low maintenance, permanent, and also need not daily care. So today I thought of sharing with you some of the plants that are very easy to grow and also you don't need to regular water. So keep them as house plants, indoor plants, and you will see how beautiful your house is when you decor your house with some indoor plants and also some decorative garden plants. This is Pedilanthus. Pedilanthus is one of the easy growing plants. You can grow them with stems. And also this plant you don't need any fertilizer. Put a bunch of stems in a large pot and you will see how beautiful the foliage is. Keep them in the semi-shade or partial to medium sunlight area. They will grow very healthily and beautifully. So this is for a lazy gardener or for a person who's very busy. Now once you keep this in your home as a house plant, you don't need to water them on regular basis. Bring down one of the bird nest plants. They are so huge and amazing. Keep it in a shady corner in your garden. They will decorate your garden. Or else keep it at the entrance or in a corner in your house. They will beautify your home with the large, huge leaves. So this is such a evergreen plant to have in your house plants collection. And also this plant does not need any care. This is ideal for a lazy gardener or for a busy person. This is bird nest plant. Belongs to the succulent family. This is aloe vera. This is another plant which doesn't need daily watering. And also when you keep it in a corner in your garden, they will grow very bushily. You can see how many baby pups are appearing in this plant. 1, 2, and here also another one. And there are many more inside. So likewise, once you put this in the semi-shade, bright indirect light area, these plants will grow very healthily. This is another plant for a lazy gardener. Monstera plant. This is another house plant, beautiful and also evergreen plant for your house plants collection. Keep it in a shady corner in your garden or else put it near a parapet wall. You can see how beautifully growing. This one, look at this. They grow really very beautiful and huge once you keep it near a parapet wall. So this is another beautiful house plant and also a lazy gardener's plant. This is called the pandanus plant, a lazy gardener's plant because they also grow with or without fertilizer. Keep it in any area of your garden or as a house plant. This foliage is amazing and also eye-catching. So such a beautiful suggestion for a lazy gardener or a beginner gardener, and also you can grow this with or without fertilizer. Belongs to the family of Dracaena. This is bamboo plants. These plants also very easy to grow. Put them in water also. You can propagate them in easily. And also this is another plant for a beginner gardener or for a lazy gardener. You need no care and also you don't need any fertilizer, no time. Only to water them once in a week if you keep them as a house plant. Umbrella plant. Another beautiful foliage plant, a beginner gardener's plant. You can grow them from stems. Leave them in an area where there is partial to medium sunlight. And this is such a wonderful plant. They grow really very huge once you give them an ample pot. Cut small stems and put them in your same pot that you will give it a bushy look. Syngonium plants. Another easy to grow plant. Low maintenance, permanent and also very easy to grow. These plants doesn't need much watering every day once you keep it as a house plant. They give it a evergreen look also to your garden. Keep it in a shady corner or else as an indoor plant.